Well, back at it again. So I thought I'd make a short video. I've got a good example here to show you what I'm talking about, of how to save tens of thousands of dollars on construction material. So it's fairly simple. I'm sure some people are already doing it out there. They're going to watch this, but any construction sites that are around, go talk to the superintendent. And there's a lot of material that gets thrown away on especially commercial construction sites. So just go talk to them, put a hard hat on, safety vest, whatever's required to go on the site, and go out and talk to the subcontractors that are working out there as well. You'll be surprised what they'll throw away that you could use out in your project. So I'll show you a good example here. Another place to get material is recycle places, for steel. If you're needing some type of pipe or wire, it's a good place to go. They'll sell it to you for pennies on the dollar for what you would pay, full price for. So at the house, as you can tell, so I talked to an electrician on a commercial project about any pipe that he had left over, or if he had any other jobs going on that he wasn't going to be using it. So all this 2.5 inch PVC came from a construction site that he had to run a temporary power, and they were going to throw it in the trash. He said his company, if it's not a full bundle of pipe, they don't bother with it. It's not worth their time. So this EMT he had left over out there, he gave me that. Those are about $12 for a piece of 1 inch EMT. One 10-foot section of this 2.5 inch pipe is $70. They said there's around 800 feet of 2.5 inch pipe here. So if you do some quick math on that, it's around $5,600. Of course, you're not going to get it in the pristine new condition you would if you went and paid that money for it. I've been taking like these couplings here where they're glued. I'll cut it right on the back side and then peel that piece out with a torch and a screwdriver and a hammer so that I can reuse it. But that's how I save a lot of money on construction material. So I'd say just the pipe alone without the EMT, it's $5,600. These fittings in here, this trash can full of fittings is probably somewhere in the neighborhood of $400. This looks like trash, but these are those pieces I'm peeling out of the pipe, heat up and peel out. Underneath here is more fittings. So I've probably got $1,000 in fittings between these two trash cans. He also gave me this 4x4. There was a temporary light standard out there. A stop sign, slightly beat up, but I'll take it out there to the ranch. It'll be an interesting thing. So this pipe was going to go to the scrap yard. It's old aluminum handrails. I'm going to make a ladder to go up to the roof on the second floor. Then I also picked up, I don't know why you had it, but this post with a no parking, no loading sign and a crosswalk sign, which will go out to the ranch. These old bollards here, they were going to be thrown away. I'm going to make the base for light poles with them. This is some of the pipe that I've already cleaned up here so far. And then he also had an aluminum light pole that he gave me. I paid him $300 for it. And like I said, it's, somewhere in the neighborhood of $7,000 worth of material. Anyway, that's all I got. So just keep that in mind, when you drive by a construction site. If you're needing some material, go talk to them. You'd be surprised how much they throw away. Well, I'll see you on the next one.